This is a question about perpendicular lines. Now, this sort of thing can come up with GCSE Further Maths, regular GCSE Maths, or AS Maths, but it's a skill that is just you really need to know and you really need to understand. So here we've got, it says, find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and which passes through the point 3, 4. So first of all, my line is in a difficult format. So the first thing I would do is rearrange my line. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. What I want to do is rearrange it and get it into the form y equals mx plus c. Because once I do that, once it's in that form, I can read off very easily what the gradient is. And if our line is perpendicular, a perpendicular line will have a negative reciprocal gradient. So we're just going to rearrange our line over here. So our line was 2x plus 3y equals 5. We're going to rearrange, bring the 2x across, so it's going to be minus 2x plus 5. And then all we'll do is divide through by the 3, and you're going to have y is equal to minus 2/3 x plus 5 over 3. Now, the only bit that matters about this is that this bit here, so this is our gradient, is equal to minus 2 over 3, which means a perpendicular gradient will be the negative reciprocal of that, which will become 3 over 2. And we'll just leave it as that. So what we know so far is our line is going to be equal to y is equal to 3 over 2x plus c. Now, how we find this c? How we find this c is we go back and read the question. It tells you our line passes through the point, which is 3, 4. So we have to sub in 3, 4. So just say sub in 3, 4. So you sub in your 3, 4. Your y is equal to 4, and your x is equal to 3. So that's 3 over 2 times 3 plus c. So if you do that, 3 over 2 times 3, that will be just, what will that be? 9 over 2 plus c. 9 over 2 would be the same as 4.5. I'll just write that as 4.5, make life easier for myself. So that's what we have. Then bring the 4.5 across, you'll have 4 minus 4.5 is equal to c, which means your c works out to be minus 1/2. Now rewrite your equation. Your equation of your line then is y is equal to 3 over 2x minus 1/2. And then what we'll do here is instead of bringing it all to one side, what way did I want it written? I want it written ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are constants. Didn't say integers, so we can just write it. Bring it all over to one side. I'll have then minus 3 over 2x plus y plus 1/2 is equal to 0. You might want to multiply through by 2 to make it a wee bit nicer looking. That's going to be minus 3x plus 2y plus 1 equals 0. And that is us done.